On Veronica's next episode of Moving. So today the video is going to be very short because we're just going to tour another house. So I'm just going to insert the video here because I am taking you guys on my moving journey. So it's only fair I show you guys what I've been looking for, what I've been touring for. So stay tuned, and our girl's gonna send some pictures here for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think about the apartment. Hopefully you guys like it because I know I'm gonna love it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy this little clip that I'm gonna insert of the house. And if your girl likes it, she will definitely be submitting the paperwork today. So hands up, praise up for me. I did a henna treatment on my hair, so that's why my hand is so yellow. And as you guys can see, henna is so good. And y'all, my hair is freaking eating right now, but I don't know what's going on with it right now. But my hair, when I wet it, it gets too much. It gets so curly and full, unable to handle it. But this is why your girl be blow drying it. It's still ashy from the henna because it doesn't come out right away. So I need another wash, but you know, it's a little late now, so I'm not gonna wash it right now because we got to go. But maybe I'll finish taking it out later when I get back. But yeah, so enjoy this little vlog for my house moving journey, because I did say I'm gonna take you guys on my journey with me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little clip. Okay, so I will see you guys after after this video. For this area right here, as you guys can see, it's very big, it's huge. You can come down here with friends and family, watch some TV and relax. It has a pool table. It has every amenities that you're looking for in a house. As you guys can see, this island table is so huge, y'all. It keeps going and going and going. As you guys can see, it's big. So this area is also available. You could rent it if you want to have a birthday party, a gathering with your friends. It's $500 a day, I believe. And the island also comes with a stove. You could cook while you're down here, and it has this big refrigerator right here. You could store your food when you're having your party. You don't have to worry about your food going bad. And look how beautiful this island is down here. So gorgeous. This section, you could just come and sit. It's just they have a lot of seating areas right here. So every space in this lobby is welcome to tenants. You could come and sit down, relax. This is where you have your personal meetings, and you actually have to rent this area out if you have a meeting going on. But everywhere else is pretty much free to the tenant. This is another office space. If you have homework, schoolwork, job work, you come in here and you sit and you could just relax. And here's the movie theater, but I gotta go get the keys to bring it to you guys because I don't have the keys yet. So we're waiting for the lady to come in there. That's the movie theater I will be showing you guys in a second. Okay, this is another office space on the right. And then as you keep going straight, it's still the lobby area. And this section right here is another seating area. This is the fireplace, so beautiful. And this is the outside. Oh my God, the outside is amazing. This is the outside where you could just grill, host your gathering behind the pool. It's very demure. I don't know what you guys thinking, but this apartment is beautiful. Just whatever you see on here, that's what you're gonna get, because this is nice. So I'm really hoping I get this one because I think I'm in love. Okay, this is still the lobby. This is like the little living room area. They just welcome people, and that's just what that is. And then we're gonna go over to see the house. This is the gym where you get your workout in. I can't really put the camera everywhere because there's people working out. I didn't want to disturb them. But yeah, this is the gym area. The gym is not as big, but it's doable, so no complaints. And this is the downstairs bathroom also, which is very convenient if you don't want to go upstairs to use the bathroom. It's right here for you. And this is the movie theater, you guys. So beautiful. I love it. And for this little area, it's just another area you come and watch TV and relax. As you guys can see, they got this beautiful planter right here. This plant is so gorgeous. This is all another area that you could come and relax, have your coffee, lunch, whatever it is. That's me in the mirror with my son, as you guys could see. And this is the pool, y'all. Now we gotta learn how to shoot some pool for real, because you know how it is. Another apartment tour, y'all. The search is going well, so I'll keep you guys posted on my next clip. I love it. Sorry.
So the only thing that will change is the cabinets. This is
Look at this space.
darker than most.
So this, it will be darker than this?
We have one that's darker than this.
Oh, okay. I like the space though.
The size would be the same layout. Yes. Okay, because the size is what we're worried about.
It's beautiful. Mind you, she's like, they're just doing their own thing. I can't find
Oh, wow.
Where's the light? I know, but I don't want to. I could do a light. This is the kitchen. Even if it was small, I was actually willing to downgrade. Because I'm tired of looking. We've been looking for the past month. This will be bedroom. Uh-oh, I hope there's a door stop. Yes. Bathroom. It has a shower and a tub. And this is the closet, which is very big. Okay, come on. We got his and hers. Delilah, my bathroom got my favorite, the his and hers, but too bad I'm single. My bathroom have his and hers, but too bad I'm single. Now this bathroom is huge, Delilah. Oh, you have his and hers too. Wow, that's awesome. This is the laundry. Nice, I could decorate it really nice. Room number 3. This house is amazing, so I'm really thinking about getting this one, but let's see, fingers crossed, because I really like it. Y'all might have a house tour coming soon, so stay tuned throughout my vlog and we'll see what happens. So just keep our finger crossed right now. We're waiting, we're doing the paperwork now and see what goes on. So I will definitely come on here and keep you guys posted throughout my moving journey, and we'll see what happens.